Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I show you Zairito Laravel e-commerce management system. This is our user panel. You can see its header bar, its contact call button, about us, blogs, how to buy, and tracking order. Then your currency, then language. Okay, it's your brand logo, search bar, your favorite item, add to cart, your profile, menu. You can see menus, categories, subcategories, brands, about us, sliders. You see brands, product category, future product, your banner, promotional. You can see product blade. You can see product title, small description, detailed description, review, then shopping and return information. You can see colors, size. You can quantity plus and minus facility. You can add to cart button, buy now, favorite, related product, footers, add to cart. Add to cart. You can see add to cart, view cart, total amount. Okay, you can check out, and you can apply coupon enter field. If you want this e-commerce website, check out link in the description below. Thank you.